Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Again, we are back with the Colmi P78 Smartwatch, and on this video, we are going to try and have a demo of one of its smart feature. That is the Bluetooth music control function. So we have here the Bluetooth music control. Okay. On this feature or this functionality, you can control the music on your phone. You can play, pause, go backward, go forward, and I don't know if you can adjust the volume with a Colmi P78, but hopefully there's an option for that. And of course, another feature that we want for the music control is the title of this song, as well as the somewhat like a progress bar. Okay, we'll see. Let's try the Colmi P78 Bluetooth music control, and let's see if there's an option for this feature. Okay, so again, if you have any questions regarding the Bluetooth music control function, drop a comment below. Support our channel so we can provide you with more smartwatches. Okay, latest smartwatches in the market, affordable and fashionable, as well as fully featured smartwatches in the market. Alright, so let's start. So we have here the support app. We are already paired with the Colmi Fit application. Earlier we do have the Bluetooth call support demo. This time we are going to have a demo of the Bluetooth music control function. So let's see if there are some options for that. So we have here the shutter, Bluetooth remote control for photos. Let's check on the others. Let's see if there's an option for the music control. So we have here menstrual health. Okay, control phone music. We do have it here. Let's activate. Then let's see if we do have some options here on our smartwatch. Seems like nothing else. Let's see. Phone, audio, Bluetooth. Okay, seems like everything is okay here. Okay, so let's start. Let's go first with our built-in music player here, and let's open the music control function. So we have here the play button. Let's tap on the per meaning, and we have here the title of the song. Is this a volume adjustment? No. Yes. Very small icon, as you can see here. Okay, hopefully I hope that they change the icon here. They make it much bigger. Very hard to select or to tap on it. Okay. So there's a volume adjustment. We have the title here. So there's no progress bar, but anyway, as long as there's a title, it's okay. Okay, let's stop it first. Let's adjust the settings here. Settings, display, sleep function, 10 seconds. Let's make it 30. Then the brightness, it's okay. I guess that's it. Again, next song. Does it work? Play. You have a very small icon here. It's really hard to tap. Does it work? No. Okay, Bluetooth pairing request. Cancel this one. Seems like it's hard to control here. Okay, volume, stop, next. It works, but due to this very small controls here, okay, or icon, it's really hard to operate. Okay, next, over the horizon. So far it works. Go back, go back, go back, then stop. Okay, the spacing is also an issue here for the icons. There's no problem with the play, but going forward and backward, okay, it's really hard to control. Okay, the volume control here is also an issue. Okay, so far it works with the built-in music player on our phone. Okay, next, let's try this Spotify app. But I'm going to mute the volume here to avoid any copyright issues. Okay, let's see. Let's go for the Bruno Mars music. That's what I like. Okay, as you can see here, the title changes. Play. Then next. Okay, 24 Magic. Next. Okay. Oh. Shape of view. Stop. Play. Next. Okay, so it works with the Spotify application. Okay, again, it works with the built-in music player. It works with the Spotify. And let's see if it's going to work with the YouTube app. So we do have a video here. So let's try to play this one. Let's see if it's going to work with our Colmi Bluetooth music control function. Okay, so far the title here on our smartwatch changes to the title here on the YouTube app. Let's increase the volume here. Again, let's adjust the volume. Okay, stop. Play. Next video. Okay, so far it works. Skip ad. Timeline.
With its mighty pharaohs.
Stop.
Multiple gods.
Go back. Okay. Stop. Go forward again.
With its mighty pharaohs.
Okay, so it works with the YouTube application so far. Okay, no issues with the YouTube app. You can go forward, go backward, play, and pause. Next, let's have the YouTube music control function. Again, we adjust the volume here to avoid any copyright issues. Let's have this one. If I ever fall in love again. Okay, pause. Next song. Next. Okay. Play. Yep, it works. Next. Play. And I'm gone. Stop. Play. Go back. Go back. Play. Okay, so far it works also with the YouTube music application. Again, it works with our built-in music player, Spotify, YouTube, and YouTube Music. So there's no issue when it comes to controlling or playing the music on the phone. The smartwatch is connected and you can control it. You can adjust the volume as well as the go forward, go backward, play and pause, as well as you can see the name of the song or the singer. But the problem is, the only issues I think is the small icon of the controls here. The volume, as well as the go forward and backward. Playing in pause is okay. This one, very close to each other and very small. That's the only issues, I think. Okay? But so far, when it comes to compatibility, it works with a built-in music player, Spotify, YouTube, and YouTube Music. So that's it for the Bluetooth music control demo of the Colmi P78 Smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!